An operations pipeline shows the operations that have been applied to your data. The operations are shown in the Manage Pipeline sidebar, in the order they were applied. Here, you can expand an operation to see and adjust its settings. If you change the settings and click Apply, the operation will rerun, as will the operations that are downstream from it in the pipeline. Each operation results in a new dataset. So just like we have a pipeline of operations, we also have a pipeline of datasets. These are shown in the pipeline view above the workspace. Hover over a dataset to see what operation it was generated by. Click a dataset to view it in the schema workbench. If you drag and drop your data to a new workbench, a local pipeline is formed. This means you can work with the dataset locally in the workbench without the changes affecting your global pipeline. In this case, we have run document landscaping in the scatterplot workbench, which has triggered several local operations. These operations and the datasets they have generated are displayed in the local part of the pipeline view, and under Local Pipeline in the Manage Pipeline sidebar. Local pipelines can be seen as branches from the main global pipeline. So changes to the global data ripple through to the local data, while local changes don't affect the global data. Local pipelines can be moved to the global scope from the Manage Pipeline sidebar. The local pipelines are removed when you close or empty a workbench.